What are lexical and irregular verbs? Lexical verbs. Lexical or main verbs are the verbs that show real action. For example, play, teach, learn, sleep, speak, etc. Lexical verbs have regular, irregular, and one-form types. Yet, we have infinitive present participle, past tense, past participle as well as finite and non-finite verbs. Irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are the verbs that are capable of changing their spellings under present, past, and participle tenses. For example, we always do our work. She always does her work. He was doing his work. She has done her work. They did the work. Note that when you are using have, has, or had with the irregular verbs, always use it with the past participle tense. For example, I have done my assignment. I have not eaten my breakfast, etc.
Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.